Hey there folks, today we're going to be showing you how to replace the engine air filter on all 2013 to 2016 Dodge Darts. We're on the passenger side of the vehicle as you can see here, and we need to access our Phillips head or 8mm screw right here, and the other one right back here behind the dipstick. And then we're going to pop off this air breather hose right here. So we're going to take these screws just till you can see the first thread on them, and then you're going to stop. That way it stays in the top of the airbox and you don't lose the screws. All right, now with everything off, we're going to lift up the top of the case here.
I'll just have to slide it over.
All right, and that is our old filter right there. We're just going to peel that one out. That is nice and tasty.
On the plus side, there's no dead mice inside, so that's good. Take the win.
All right, this is our new filter, a premium from Amazon. There is the part number if you want to pause the screen. So we're going to set that in the same way the old one came out. Pleats are facing down. All right, so if we look at these three prongs, you'll notice Matt just kind of pulled it to the driver's side a little bit. Those prongs sit in those holes right there. So when you put it back down, we'll put it at an angle and dive those prongs into there and then set everything down. All right, once everything is lined up and the holes line up, we're just going to tighten everything back down, hand tight. All right, once you have that tight, we just get our breather hose back on and we're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.